Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to manage, so how to turn on or off the camera location tags on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, so let's tap on it, and all we have to do right now is simply tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner, so let's do it. And as you can see right here in the useful features section, we've got tag locations option. So now it is inactive, but if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here and it should be applied. You really have to remember about two very important features which have to be turned on if you'd like to use the location tags. So let's unroll the top bar, and first of all, remember about the Wi-Fi connection or any internet connection, and then the other thing about which you have to remember is the location. So make sure that both of them are turned on and that you are connected to the internet. And now we can go back to the camera and check. Let's take a photo by tapping on the shutter button, and let's check the location tags. So let's tap on the preview and you can localize them in the details. So let's tap on this three dots icon, tap on details. And as you can see in the details, we've got the exact location, so greetings from Krakow. And actually that's all. This is how to manage the location tags in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.